If you have an insurance policy and have not filed your income tax yet, watch this video to save more money on your taxes. This video is divided into 3 different segments. The first one is the guide to know how much you can declare for your insurance relief. The second one is the insurances that are not allowed for insurance relief. And the third one is how to do it step by step. Please take note that this is not a tax advice. I am just sharing with you what's in the IRAS website. And this is Meds again, your Filipino financial consultant dito sa Singapore. So, let's get started. Your tax savings depends on how much your income is. But the great thing is the tax in Singapore is comparatively low compared to other countries, especially sa Pilipinas. And applying for insurance relief can help you reduce and save a lot of money on your income taxes. So, first, here's the guidelines that you need to know first before applying for insurance relief. The first one is the maximum amount is capped at $5,000 worth of premiums or 7% of the insured amount, whichever is lower. Meaning, if your life insurance benefit is $50,000 and you are paying $4,000 in premium yearly, following the condition whichever is lower and doing some math, $50,000 times 7% is $3,500. Even you are paying $4,000 yearly, you can only claim the lower of the two, which is $3,500. Then, second guideline. If you are a PR or Singaporean who has a CPF compulsory contribution of less than $5,000, you can also apply for insurance relief, but only if your CPF contribution is less than $5,000. Third, for married men, take note, this is for us men. If you are buying for your wife's life insurance, you can also claim or use that insurance to apply for your insurance relief. Fourth, the life insurance must be from Singapore and the insurance company must be operating in Singapore. So those are the 4 important guidelines or conditions that you must meet first to apply for insurance relief in Singapore. Now, we go to the insurances that are not eligible for insurance relief. Take note, if you only have the insurances from the list I will mention, then you are not eligible for insurance relief. The first one is accident insurance policy, hospital policy, health insurance policy such as MediShield, Integrated Shield Plan, etc., disability insurance policies such as Elder Shield, Care Shield Life, etc., riders under life insurance policy, sample are the total and permanent disability, critical illness rider, premium waiver riders, and other riders added to your life plan are not included in the life insurance relief. Then, we also have this critical illness policy, endowment policy. So, these are the policies that are not eligible for insurance relief. So, be very careful. Not all insurances are eligible. If you have further questions, you can drop a message down below. Now that you know the guidelines and insurances that are not eligible, now let's go for the step-by-step procedure. But before we start, I have put the links of the websites in the details in this video, so click those to get started. For you to get started, first you must have an access to your singpass account. If you don't have, go to singpass.gov.sg and create an account first. Best is to download the app for easy access. But if you already have, let's get started. First, you need to go to iras.gov.sg and log in using your personal account using your singpass. And once you are inside, check first if your company has declared your total income for the last year. If they did, you will see an e-file button there. Or best is go to the File for Income Tax Return under the Individuals. Once you are there, look for the e-file button and then click. Once you click the e-file button, it will show you the total income summary for the last year. The statement that you will see there is the one you will edit later to apply for insurance relief. You can also see here other editable tax benefits that you can be eligible. But we will only be focusing on the insurance relief for this video. While on this page, scroll all the way down until you see the next step segment. It looks like this. Once you are there, Tick yes and click the Edit My Tax form. Once done, it will bring you to another site page where you can start editing your tax declarations. Here, you can see the total income you had and some empty boxes beside each category. If you have other income to add and eligible expenses that can be deducted to your income, you can fill in those on the empty boxes. On this page, scroll to page 4 where you can see the category for donations, relief, and parenthood tax rebates. Then look for life insurance. Just click the update button to key in your insurance relief amount, and once updated and done, scroll all the way down to see the submit button. And that's it. You have successfully filed and applied for insurance relief. It will show you the final tax you will have to pay for the income you had on the previous year. If you have any further questions, you can go to IRA's website. Again, this is not a financial advice, and I am not an IRA's representative to advise on tax matters. If you're looking for one, look for tax professionals. So, I hope this video helps you, and if it did, press the like button and share this to your friends.